Namaskar. In many cultures around the world, sun symbolizes spiritual consciousness and is worshipped on a daily basis. Here in India, there is a yogic practice, Surya Namaskar. It is a 12-step salutation to the sun, which has several health benefits. Every step also has a mantra associated with it. We will also chant the mantras. With the mantras, it will not be just a physical exercise, but a spiritual and energizing practice. If you are a beginner, do the sequence very slowly by taking a pause of few seconds between each asana to observe the sensation in your body. First, get into the starting position. Stand erect with the hands on your respective sides and feet close together. Keep your neck, abdomen in normal contour. Chin parallel to the ground. Focus at one point in front of you. Keep the mind calm and body relaxed. Now let's move from one to another along with mantra chanting. Join both the hands in Namaskar Mudra in front of your sternum. Keep the shoulders and elbows relaxed and observe your breath. Now say Om Mitraya Namaha. Salutation to the friend of all. Exhale and take your hands down. Keep the feet firm and inhaling, raise the arms. Take your arms above the head. Slightly bend the trunk towards backwards. Now say Om Ravaye Namaha. Salutation to the radiant one. Immediately exhaling, slowly bend forward from the waist. Continue keeping the legs straight and head between the hands. Bring the hands down to the floor and forehead close to the knees. Now say Om Suryaya Namaha. Salutation to he who initiates activities. Inhaling, bend the left knee, keep it between the hands and move the right leg behind. Keep the right knee off the floor. Raise your head up and simultaneously arch the spine backwards. Om Bhanave Namaha. Salutation to he who illuminates. Now exhaling, move the left leg behind by the side of the right. Keep distance between both the feet. Straighten the arms. Simultaneously raise the hips up. Get your head between the arms. Keep the knees and elbows straight. Rest the heels on the floor. Om Khagaya Namaha. Salutation to the all-pervading one. While inhaling, lower the body towards the floor and exhaling, allow the toes, knees, chest, hands and chin to touch the floor, keeping the hips slightly up. Maintain this position by suspending the breath. Om Pushane Namaha. Salutation to the nourisher and giver of the strength. Inhaling, lower the hips and raise the head. Rest the palms on the floor. Now arch the back. Om Hiranya Garbhaya Namaha. Salutation to the golden cosmic womb. While exhaling, lower the trunk, then raise the hips and bring the head between the arms. Keep knees and elbows straight. Heels resting on the floor. Om Mariche Namaha. Salutation to the golden rays of the sun. Inhaling, bend the right knee and bring it in front in between both the hands. Take your left leg behind. Keep the left knee off the floor. Raise your head up and simultaneously arch your spine backwards. Om Adityaya Namaha. Salutation to the son of Aditi, the cosmic mother. Exhaling, bring the left leg to the side of the right. Keep your hands beside the feet on the floor and straighten both the knees. Get your forehead close to the knees. Om Savitre Namaha. Salutation to the stimulating power of sun. Inhaling, raise both the arms and head. Straighten the back and arch gently backwards. Om Arkaya Namaha. Salutation to he who is worthy of praise. Exhaling, straighten the trunk and bring hands down. Join both the hands in Namaskar Mudra in front of chest. Keep both the feet together and chant Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Salutation to the one who leads to enlightenment. Repeat the entire sequence on the left side along with the chanting of your mantra. And this completes one full round of Surya Namaskar. Try to practice 2 to 4 rounds of Surya Namaskar every morning. as per your comfort. But remember to take a pause between rounds. And those who have high BP, heart disease, vertigo, any abdominal inflammation, hernia, any spinal disorders, sciatica, slip disc should avoid totally Surya Namaskar. They can do other asanas suitable for these conditions. Menstruating and pregnant women should also avoid doing Surya Namaskar. The best thing about Surya Namaskar is that it involves all your muscles and muscle groups. It improves the health of your entire body by stimulating all your organs. It is very useful for weight loss because it reduces any extra fat around the abdomen, around hips, thighs, neck and chin. Blood circulation on the entire body improves and it leads to balancing all other systems of your body. Even some studies have also proven that practicing Surya Namaskar daily improves heart rate, flexibility and body composition while reducing BMI and stress level. So if you have no physical limitation, practice this every day. Experience the benefits of Surya Namaskar and find the healthier version of yourself within few weeks. Namaskar.